Your Nest thermostat is designed to keep your home comfortable while saving energy. This detailed guide will walk you through every step to master its features. First, we'll discuss adjusting the temperature. Wake up the thermostat by pressing the display. Then, rotate the ring clockwise to increase the temperature, and rotate the ring counterclockwise to decrease the temperature. Check the display to see the target temperature adjust in real time. Now, let's talk about switching modes. Press the thermostat display to open the menu. Rotate the ring to highlight Mode, then press the display to select. Choose one of the following modes. Heat activates heating to maintain a warm temperature. Cool activates cooling to maintain a cooler temperature. Heat-cool. Your system will automatically switch between heating and cooling as needed to meet any scheduled temperatures. Off turns the HVAC system off completely. Eco minimizes energy use when you're away. Setting a schedule. Press the display to open the menu. Rotate the ring to select Schedule, then press the display. To add a new time and temperature, rotate the ring to choose the time of day and press New. Rotate again to set the temperature and press to confirm. Repeat for additional time slots as needed. To edit an existing time slot, highlight it, press the display, and make your changes. To delete a time slot, highlight it and select the Delete option. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Press the display to open the menu. Navigate to Settings and select Network. The thermostat will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Highlight your network and press the display to select it. Use the ring to enter your Wi-Fi password. Press the display to confirm each character. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation on the display. Using the Nest app. Download the Nest app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create a login to your Nest account. Select Add Product in the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Scan the QR code on your thermostat or enter the pairing code manually. Follow the instructions on your phone to finish connecting. Once paired, use the app to control temperatures, set schedules, and monitor energy use remotely. Viewing energy usage. Press the thermostat display to open the menu. Then, navigate to History and select it. Review your energy history to see when and how your HVAC system has been used. Use this information to optimize your settings for better energy savings. Locking the thermostat. Open the menu and navigate to Settings. Select Lock and follow the prompts to get a PIN. Once locked, only users with the PIN can adjust settings or change the temperature. Troubleshooting common issues. Wi-Fi connectivity. Ensure your Wi-Fi is active and within range of the thermostat. Reconnect by navigating to Settings, Network. Power issues. Check that the thermostat is properly attached to its base. Ensure that HVAC system's circuit breaker is on. System compatibility. Verify that your HVAC system is compatible with the Nest thermostat by visiting nest.com/works. Frequently asked questions. How do I adjust the brightness of the display? Go to Settings, tap the brightness circle to go up or down in brightness. What's the best temperature for energy savings? The EPA recommends 68 degrees Fahrenheit in winter and 78 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer when you're home. Can I use the thermostat manually if the Wi-Fi is down? Yes. All settings can be adjusted directly on the thermostat. And that's everything you need to know to get the most out of your Nest Generation 3 thermostat. If you need further assistance, visit the Nest website or contact us directly. Thanks for watching and enjoy your perfectly balanced home climate.